Marion. I am here with East 80 Adventures and Safaris. I've had the most amazing time. If you're not here, you should definitely be here today. Next time, I don't know where we're going, but I will definitely be with East 80 Adventures. You should be here.
Adventures, they are the best people, they are the kindest people. So many good adventures. This camp was just amazing. I had a blast. The next time, make sure you join them.
This has been the best time of my life, literally. You should be here. Come with us next time.
Food was nice, transportation, Mercedes, everything was nice.
Welcome guys to East 80 Adventures. It has been an amazing trip. They have good services, they have good treatment. As you can see, we were at Nature Pebbles Elementaita and it was the best feeling ever.
November baby. Yeah, siku yako ya kuzaliwa. Leo ni teni mheshimiwa. Kama freshi marashi nimejaa. Maheta wako pale kwenye kona. Macho pembeni wakitazama.
Wewe Jackie, simngetupea ingine kama hii. Ama aje East 80 Adventures and Safaris. The thing, twende.
I will definitely be with East 80 Adventures. You should be here. Oh my god, those people are just vibes. Y'all are vibes. Let's keep it vibes and inshallah.